watching this video, people will want to stay away from you, but they won't be able to. They won't act arrogant around you. They won't try to outsmart you. They'll be careful not to make mistakes that lower their image in your eyes. Why? Because they won't want to lose status with you. So how do you become that person? Listen carefully. People are always more attracted to what's hard to get, what's rare, what's limited. Scarcity creates value. The more limited something is, the more people want it. If you become limited in people's lives, they'll feel pulled toward you. Here's how it works. Don't always be fully available. Don't always be fully distant. Be present, then disappear. Keep them slightly uncertain. Things that are difficult to access automatically become more valuable. When something is easy to get, people take it for granted. When it's hard to get, they protect it. Show interest in people, but don't overdo it. If you become too available, you become predictable. Predictable becomes boring. In any group, the most attractive person is the one who stands out. Different, unpredictable, self-contained. When you talk to someone, look them directly in the eyes. Eye contact signals confidence. Confidence builds trust. Make your personality so distinct that others want to copy you. People are drawn to what they don't have but wish they did. Now here's the psychological edge. Sometimes be talkative. Sometimes be silent. Sometimes be deeply involved. Then step back. Disappear for a while. Let them wonder, did I say something wrong? Why did they pull back? What changed? When those questions live in their mind, you live in their mind. But understand something, this only works if you actually have value. You must have goals, priorities, standards. If you're just pretending to be unavailable but doing nothing meaningful with your time, people will see through it. Scarcity without substance is manipulation. Scarcity with purpose is power. Act like your life is full, busy, focused, progressing, because people gravitate toward those who look like they're building something. Never worry about disappointing someone because you didn't show up. If you always show up, you're convenient. If you're selective, you're valuable. When someone feels, I'm important to you, but not your top priority, they'll try to become your top priority. That desire to rank higher in your life, that's what creates attachment. Stop chasing what you want to chase. The moment you stop running after something, you give it space to move towards you. If you constantly show need, people sense it immediately. Even a child can sense desperation. Need lowers status. Standards raise it. Set standards for your time, your energy, your attention. Attention becomes valuable when it's limited. Idle people are used for time pass. Focused people are pursued. Once you define your priorities and commit to your own growth, people will want access to you. They'll want your time, your approval, your attention, and they'll work for it. If you understood this, you already see the shift. Drop a comment. Tell me what hit you the hardest. Get ready. The next topic will go even deeper.